You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much.
You guys, it is your girl Naturally T, and I'm back once again with another video. So as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a Bantu knot tutorial, y'all. A Bantu knot tutorial. So this is my first ever tutorial, hair tutorial period. I think I did a DIY, but there really wasn't a tutorial. It was, but it wasn't. But still, yeah, this is my first hair tutorial. I'm really excited, and shout out to Corlin Harris, period. Because she wanted me to do this. I guess she like inspired by the hairstyle because I've worn it before, and I will put a few pictures of how it looked in this video so y'all can see what it's like that. So I got my Bantu shea butter for natural hair, the coconut curling cream. This is just to enhance the curl. I don't know if y'all can. To enhance the curl, I got my Y2 comb because this is needed, and that's on the period. My brush, I really don't like this brush because it don't enhance no curl. And y'all can tell, y'all, I'm so upset. Let me tell y'all something. So I got a Brazilian blowout, and this is the outcome of my hair. I mean, like, I'm not saying it wasn't this stringy is what I'm trying to say. It's like really stringy, and so I really don't like that, but can't do nothing about it. I would cut my hair, but then I don't want to start. Ooh, I really do want to cut my hair though. But yeah, so this is the outcome. This is my stimulating growth oil, Jamaican black castor. Then I got the rubber bands because I don't have any bobby pins. You can use rubber bands or bobby pins for it to stay up, or if your hair just stay up, then oh well, or whatever. Some of them stay up and some of them don't. And then I got this hair tire just so I can like part my hair so that my hair will be nice. Make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and that's on the period. Make sure you click that subscribe button because I'm trying to get to 100, okay? Oh, and I'm so thankful for all my supporters. I'm now at 70 subscribers, 71, somewhere in the 70s. But I'm very, very excited. I can't wait till I get to that point where I can do stuff for y'all because y'all supporting me and my YouTube channel. So I thank y'all so much. As y'all can see, I am combing and parting my hair into where I want my first Bantu knot to be at. So I'm using my pink scrunchie. I call it a scrunchie, I don't know. But I'm using my pink scrunchie to hold the rest of my hair. So now I will be applying the Bantu, I forgot. The Bantu curling enhancer. It's very thick, so try not to put too much on your hand. And then I'm just rubbing it through the strands. Just rub it through the strands. I'm gonna go over this like a whole bunch of times, so yeah. And I'm gonna use this brush just to calm my ends out because my ends are thicker. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, it's almost like it's thicker than my hair. Then I'm gonna apply my Jamaican black castor oil. Rub it in my fingers and apply it. So yeah, and then you would twist this Bantu knot as if you're twisting a dread or something like that. Some of this one. So as y'all can see, I'm kind of wrapping it. I'm tucking it under. y'all can see that little piece hanging out. I really wasn't worried about it, but then I took it down anyway, so yeah. Okay, so as y'all can see, I kind of took a little piece out, but basically, like I said, you are going to be twisting your hair around your finger as if you're doing like a dread or something. It kind of looks like a dread, and I like mine's tight, so I kind of do it tight. So yeah, and then basically what you're gonna do now is you're going to wrap it around the hair. I don't know what I was doing. But yeah, you wrap it around the hair. I mean, wrap it around the hair. You wrap it around the, I don't know, I guess just make a circle and it adds on and it doubles. So yeah, and there you go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm finna like pin it up at the top because I really don't like how it looked right there. So I was like, I'm just gonna put my pins right there just to make it look a little cute and like it's kind of a style. So yeah. And right after I do that, I'm gonna fluff it to the way I want it to be fluffed out so it can be cute. I'm gonna be taking pieces of it and basically spraying them out so that it can be more hair. I feel like this is a cute hairstyle. I really love it. So yeah. Then like I said, I'm just gonna fluff it out. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. Ooh, that.
You got 24 seconds. Can you beat the shot clock? What you waiting on?